Hi guys, this is Akshata Bagal and today is a very special day because you guys liked the Bangalore reels so much that I kept thinking, "Ki, yaar, I can't travel that much and go to different cities and explore. So let me just explore the city I'm in." Welcome to the second ever episode of The City where we explore the gems of the city, and today we are doing my favorite city because that's the only city I've lived in. What Dodera? The city got its name because there were too many word plants. Word plants is banyan trees. Ironically, so you can't find them anywhere. Can you find them in this video? That's a hunt for you guys. This video is for the peace, the calm that the city offers, and the chaos that I bring in with the cafe hopping, with the food, with the reviews that will not disappoint. And there are so many places I haven't been. So here's a local with me, even though I've lived for 25 years. उधर क्या देख रहा है? This is my very good friend Anirudh.
हेलो गाइस.
Anirudh is also a follow YouTuber.
बोल सकता है.
But anyways, I'm so excited because we have I'm so excited because we have fun things planned. I'm so excited because तू ढंग से चला ले.
मैं ढंग से ही चला रहा हूँ. खाड़े गड्ढे.
I am so excited because we have fun things planned out. Where are we going? Outhouse by Kabir. This is the outfit. It's छोटी है भाई.
हाइट छोटी नहीं है, अच्छी है, बराबर है.
मेरी हाइट काफी अच्छी है. I'm a 5'4", which is an average. I did not want to dress up like a boho bitch today, but look how good I look, especially with the trees. ऐसा लग रहा है नहीं कि I live in the jungle, Goa. You know, ordering is the worst thing. Like, you know you're hungry, but you don't know what to eat.
सारे व्लॉग कर पे होंगे मेरे.
I swear, सिर्फ कॉफी मशीन आने थे, उसके बाद सारे vlogs कर पे.
तूने वो मंगवाया है ना एक.
Mocha what? It was 5,000 bro, 5,000. And I waited for half a year so my Masi can give me money so I can buy it. Gummy? It's like such a liar you are.
अरे सच में अच्छी है.
It shows on your face you didn't like it.
अरे थोड़ी लाइट है मेरे लिए.
Yeah, you like it dark.
पर अच्छी है.
It's really good. If you were to rate the pizza just by my expression, how much would you give it? Because I'd give it a 10 on 10. Even though it was an 8 on 10, the expression made it a 10 on 10. It's really good.
टूट गया.
टूट गया cheese pull. It's such a big cheese pull. You know you made a thunderous blunder if you ordered these loaded fries, which costed 500 rupees, and we couldn't even eat it because they were just not at par. Like, they were mid. Bare minimum, then mid. They kind of look sexy though. Arjun, what do you think? Do they look sexy?
They do.
Yeah. But let me be honest. Here I'm trying to give a good review. Okay, oh, it's so good. I just said it's so bakwas.
No.
Persoon. બહુ સારું છે તાતે ક્લાસ રહેવા દે.
Who am I? I'm Spider-Man.
मैं शूट करूँगा. नहीं नहीं.
Glass is it's okay.
ये लड़के ने अपनी पूरी आइज्ड अमेरिकानो.
Shut up. These guys are so sweet, they gave me an extra coffee. I hope it's without charges. शर्ट खराब नहीं लग रही हो यार.
मोटी. इससे अगर मोटी बोलते हैं तो फिर.
I am 46, but my face has like baby fat.
46 तेरा वेट है, इतना कम.
I lost a lot of weight. No shit, my waist looks like this, na? Does my waist match my face? No. Where are we going?
Decathlon.
Decathlon. Let's go, guys. I think it'll look good, yeah. I think black and white is also nice. Red is also nice. White is also nice.
क्योंकि मेरे पास सेम ब्लैक का पैर है ये और शॉर्ट्स.
I think blue is also nice.
क्योंकि मैंने अभी सैंडो लिए ना उसमें
better
मेरे
है.
पास ब्लू कलर है.
आके फ्रेम खराब कर. ओए 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 बस डिसअपॉइंट मत हो.
यो. इतनी धीरे मारेगी. हाँ. उसका इमेजिन करके तो तेरे को ज़्यादा खींच के मारना पड़ेगा.
I do my Pilates and with this on. So full workout, like body work. It is not that hard. It's not that. I think I should get 1 kg instead of 0.5 kg. Arms पूरे टोन हो जाएंगे. What if my arms
ये
are
1
toned?
kg में पिंक कलर है.
I don't like pink. Unpopular opinion. I don't
पिंक
know.
पहना है pink.
I mean, pink looks good on me. Do I like pink? Shut up. Shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. Okay, I'm a righty. So this should be lighter, right?
हाँ.
But this is light.
ये तूने कब का पहन के रखा हुआ है.
Like swimming करते वक्त अगर इंसान
नहीं
पहन
पहन सकती तू ये.
हम ये खरीद रहे हैं. We were in Decathlon. This guy wanted to shop. He did not shop. I shopped because clearly
Because
पैसा तो है नहीं. I also got a TheraBand and I really wanted to get like the weights that you put on your hand and then do your hair and stuff like that, and then you get like toned muscle and all that stuff. But they did not have like a fresh piece, and the old pieces were clearly somebody scammed them and they were trying to scam me. I'm like, I'm too clever for that. Don't try on me. Like, I am the girl who gets free coffee in cafes. Where's my coffee?
गिरा दी थी कॉफी.
Whatever. I have such a sweet face कि उन्होंने actually बनाई और दी without मैंने मांगी भी नहीं थी.
फेस देख के उन लोगों ने.
I love
दिया,
Outhouse.
बेचारी ऐसे-
I love it.
ऐसे कर रही थी वो.
Okay, give your reviews for Outhouse though.
मतलब बहुत अच्छा है कैफे खाना वगैरह बट
I love the pizza. Pizza was really good. I would highly suggest pizza and get the coffee. Don't get the
Fries,
fries.
हाँ,
Yeah,
fries मत खाना.
we didn't like that. And the ambience and everything is nice. I wish the tables were smaller so we can talk. That's it. Now we are going to another cafe. And then we are going to go shop because it's right in this lane nearby. And after that we are going to get my phone cover and also lychee juice. Bhai, उस दिन के बाद I swear I'm craving lychee juice. So we are also going to one of his and mine favorite cafe. When I tell you Monday mornings are the most shittiest, I don't mean by the work aspect. Monday morning are shittiest because half of the cafes in the city are closed. Tell me why? Because I went to Modernist, one of my favorite cafes. It was closed. So उस गम को भुलाने के लिए I went shopping because West Side was next door. I went to West Side and look at this blue top, Gorgina. I mean, I look like corporate core, silent core, every fucking core. I look like I'm about to make my boss fall in love with me, girl. And even though I don't have a boss, I bought it because this is so good. I may never want to be a basic girl, but I do want these basics in my wardrobe ASAP. I have this top in 3 colors, and this is my 4th color. I'm buying it in 2 sizes above than mine, but it just fits good. Yes, little dance for appreciation, baby. Now that you've seen me do a belly dancing, you can also see me in a see-through top. Yes, it is see-through. On top of it, look at the linings. It's too fat. I mean, the only fat I want is PHAT. If I had a sugar daddy, I would have bought this because this reminds me of those rich uncles wearing lungi and top, which is made out of silk at night because they are so cool. I mean, it reminds me of that. It kind of does not give the vibe. I mean, I tried these many clothes, so it was a disappointment that I only got 2 things, and one of it was a belt. You guys, we've been two cafes. We went to Modernist after the shopping, and after that we went to one of my cafes, which I've kept very hidden. And I was like, let Anirudh experience how greatness feels. But both of them are closed because it's Monday, so I just got a cupcake. This guy is on a diet, but he had a pizza. So fake diet.
ये बोल नहीं था, टॉप सीक्रेट था.
ये top secret था. But तेरे friends, I don't think so. Your friends follow me, which is a wrong thing. Your friends should follow.
फॉलो करते हैं वो तेरे को.
Oh yeah. And this is one of my favorite cupcakes.
I don't
It's
know.
called as Kit Kat cupcake. It's one of the best. Nathi bhai kasuj nathi hai ghar mein. My brother says that I speak the worst Gujarati. In my opinion, I speak the best, and you guys just have like a weird accent about it. મારી તો કાઠિયાવાડી ગુજરાતી છે જો.
તને આવડતું જ નથી ગુજરાતી.
Yeah.
બોલ ગુજરાતીમાં કઈ.
It's really bad. I don't think so it was a fresh piece. If it's a fresh piece, it would have tasted really good.
गुजरात बेकरी. टिश्यू भी है तेरे पास?
अभी हम जा रहे हैं Curators because he wants another coffee. Anirudh is like, तू मेरी क्यों लगा रही है भाई, है ना?
नहीं नहीं.
Yeah,
कॉफी तो अच्छा है.
Yeah, coffee is a good thing. Coffee is like diet friendly.
मेरे साथ रह रहे कि अक्षता सीखी है कॉफी पी.
Rubbish. This guy was a chai guy.
I'm not chai guy.
I made the entire group
Please,
of coffee
no.
program. Rubbish. All 4 of them used to be like chai. Tea
कब-
post
कब?
जाते थे तुम लोग. Tea post.
कब? अब वो तो हम वो पीने जा रहे थे वहाँ का वो.
ये लोग टी पोस्ट जाते थे.
वहाँ का
मैंने इनको
रिफ्रेशिंग जूस जैसा आता था वहाँ पे. उसका नाम मैं भूल गया.
Rubbish. I have proof.
वेन प्रूफ चाहिए मेरे को. मेरा चाय पीता हुआ फोटो
तेरे स्नैपचैट पे, तेरे और कुणाली के स्नैपचैट पे है सब कुछ.
नहीं है.
You guys are taking a reverse. If it was an expensive car, I would have stopped. But since it's not an expensive car, not mine. Okay, every city has that one niche place that just sells good coffee, and that's it. This is our good niche place. It's called as Curators, and I think everyone has been there. My mother goes there for her kitty parties. A good cup of coffee, that's it. The next place we wanted to go to was Gajra Cafe in the city. It's one of my absolute favorite when it comes to Maharashtra Gujarati food, but unfortunately, even though it was Monday, they are closed on Sunday. Okay, they're not closed on Monday, they are open on Monday. They had an event. So basically the one thing I was looking forward to was my lychee juice, and I could not get it. Hi ladies, the vlog has not ended yet. The reason is we went to 3 cafes that very day, and all of them were closed. And that is not the complete Vadodara experience. So we are taking you to a legit Vadodara experience. We are going to an exhibition for fashion, jewelry, cosmetics, and I think food is also there. Basically this happens every quarter in Vadodara. Arjun is here. Say hi.
Hi guys.
So we're going there. It's called as Deedar. I love it because it's like you find good finds there. A lot of people keep asking me, where did you get your jewelry from? Sometimes it is from there. So let's go. Oh my god, look at the bliss that we have landed in. This is where my heart and soul belongs, and I am trying so hard to show you my hairstyle because I thought I did something revolutionary. Baby, you did not eat even though you thought you ate, but it's a start. Okay, give me 1 or 2 more vlogs and I'm gonna eat this hairstyle like it's a cup of noodles.
આવાળું રેડ વાળું ચકદા વાળું મીણા વાળું.
Very beautiful. Nice, no?
क्या कहता था, क्या कहता?
Kaki gave it. Kaki is like rich, so she can buy, you know. Yeah. Bro, we did not buy anything. I did love this one necklace. Listen, it's not time pass, it's research for my brand, okay? So I know what is in the business, but anyways, I felt like it was too overpriced. I did love this one necklace, but it was for 1800. I'm not gonna spend 1800 on a pendant and chain when I know that you can assemble that in like 200 rupees. Yeah, India, it is like, and also it's in a 5-star hotel, so the price are hiked up. I did not buy that, but I was like, it's so beautiful, it's so beautiful. Anyways, we are going for coffee.
We need coffee.
Yeah, we need caffeine anyways. This place, I have gatekeep this place for such a long time. And last time me and Anirudh were here and he was like, Akshita, take me to your secret place. I took him here and it's closed on Monday. I'm telling you, all the cafes we went to were closed on Monday. But now we are going here. Let's keep it hush hush. And Arjun's gonna have a
Red Bull Americano.
Red Bull brew with Red Bull, and I'm gonna have nothing.
Cup?
I think I'm just gonna have like one cupcake.
Tigna bitta.
No, Oven Magic mein Vitto. Last time I had it, it was shit. So I'm hoping this time it's good. They teach about coffee. I think it's closed. Yeah, it was supposed to be here. It's closed. That's the name. I think the cafe is closed forever. Okay, this is one of my favorite areas. It's Akota Garden, and right in front of Akota Garden, you will see a books. This is like the best pani puri ever. And right over here, you get all types of books at a very cheap price. Yeah, you get very cheap books at a very nominal price, and you can give them back. For example, if I bought a book at 100 rupees, I give them back, they'll give me 70 rupees back. That's such a great thing. Woo! What the fuck? Let me give you a jewelry tour of what I'm wearing. I'm wearing piercings. After that, I'm wearing my birthstone necklace. Rings. I got this from Bangalore. This is from Testo. I got this from Dehradun. My birthday rings. Also my birthday rings. I got this in PR. I got this from the Didar exhibition last year. Goa. Hill Road. And I made this. I didn't get a coffee because Arjun got a coffee and I just had a coffee. It makes zero sense. I mean, I'll take a sip. Arjun, will you give me a sip? Sip. Mala.
Wait.
Wait a minute. I didn't mean I get the first sip, but it's good. It's better than the one I had last time.
Delicious.
That's it for the vlog. Hope you liked it. If you did not, let me know why did you not like it. Hope you have a nice day. See you soon. Bye bye.